Everybody, Suzy and Rafa at Cheeky Seats. We're going to show you today how to put one of our seat covers on a Honda Ruckus seat. Now this is the product that you're going to get, is a seat cover. We don't make or sell actual seats. We make skins or covers. That's the front, and you know this because there's a little sticker that says front. So Rafa's going to show you how to put this on. He starts at the back, stretches that over, follows the structure of the seat, pulls it around, he flips it up. See that black line? That lines up with the edge of your seat when you slide that on. Then you do the sides. There you go. The other side. Now you may see some gapping or tenting in this because the material doesn't know to lay flat. So you smooth it out after you tighten it up there. Going to see some tenting. Smooth that out, and then after it heats up and cools down a few times and you ride on it, that'll form right to the seat perfectly, and you have a beautiful new rustic look for your Honda Ruckus. Thanks.